Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WTRH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Franklin does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows on the day, and then to think that the price closed up in that area of the chart, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very nice move in the upwards direction. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, what is that, $1.52, or let's just call it $1.50. So why is $1.50 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.50. If the price were to come down here to $1.50 and then just keep on going, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say that the price does come down, however, in this situation behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have that low right there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $1.50. What about levels of resistance going into next week? As far as the next key level of resistance is concerned, and you are not crazy, that candle is still moving around because the market's not quite closed yet. But as far as what I'm talking about here, what I talk about and what I map out is going to pertain regardless of where it closes. But the next key overall level to keep an eye on is going to be right up there at $2.20. Right here you have a little miniature area of resistance, but given the price as well, at that level, the main one in my eyes at least is going to be right up there at that red line. And then if the price can push up through there, the next one you would want to turn your attention to resistance-wise is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line will move itself and get more and more relevant as everything unfolds. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.